channel. My name is Paige. If you've never seen my face before, then please consider subscribing before you leave. Also, if you enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. The time has come for us to open the beloved FabFitFun fall box. You guys know that I am a FabFitFun partner and I have been absolutely loving receiving these every season. This is my third FabFitFun box and I've been feeling the hype behind this fall box. I have already looked in here. I already know all the goodies that are in here, so I'm super excited to jump on in and show you guys what is in this season's fall FabFitFun box. First of all, can we talk about how on point FabFitFun is with their branding? They get me every time. I love the colors of the fall box. This blue with the red and the oranges is just, it's everything. I'm gonna act just like I hadn't already opened this thing. I typically like to open this along with you guys so that you're getting a true unboxing, but this time I wanted to change things up and let you guys know what I think about certain items. So I was able to use them ahead of time so that I could give you guys my honest input as far as how I'm using it. Do I think it's useful? But let's go ahead and jump on in. In every box comes this little like catalog thing, and it has a breakdown of all the things that are in the boxes and what could possibly be in your box. If you don't know what a FabFitFun box is, this is a box that comes seasonally. So you get 4 a year, spring, summer, fall, and winter, and they are $49.99 per box. But if you use my code, you'll get $10 off of your first box. When you do the math, you're getting full-size items. Even one of the items out of the box, you've already made your money back. I love the fact that a lot of these items are things that I was going to buy anyway. So in this way, I'm getting extra stuff for free, technically when you think about it. Because one of these items that I got in my box was $75, which is automatically more than the price of the whole entire box. So technically everything else was free when you think about it like that. This is really like an early Christmas gift for me every single time that I open these, because these are just really nice quality items and they're not like little samples. They're not like something that nobody wants. These are actually pieces that people are wanting and using every day. So that's why I love FabFitFun, not just because I'm a partner for them, but I honestly do love it personally. I don't get any money off of you guys using my codes. I don't get anything from that whatsoever. I just really love the FabFitFun box, and I'm gonna share it. I'm just gonna keep on sharing it because I love them. I used to get another little $10 beauty bag each month. I'm not gonna say the name of it. I did cancel that a long time ago because I kept getting repeat items that I didn't even use, and they were just little sample sizes. Nothing was ever full size. And when you do the math, in 4 months, you've already paid $40 for stuff that you don't even want, you're not even gonna use. So why not pay an extra $10 to get this stuff? And it's all full size. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, so let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm going to list some of my favorite things first, just because I want you guys to see the really good stuff that's in this season's box. So the big ticket item from this box would have to be these crown brushes. Now you could either get this or the Vince Commuto Luck Tote, which is $128. If you got that bag, then wow, that bag was like, that's a really nice bag for $128. But I ended up getting the Crown Brush 6-piece brush set, and it will either come in black and rose gold or silver, and I got the black and rose gold. I was already a fan of the Crown brushes. I think they are super nice quality, and the fact that you get 10 in this set along with a carrying case, this was probably my most favorite thing because I do travel a lot. And makeup brushes is something that I hadn't really got down as far as traveling. I didn't want to ruin them. I also didn't want to get makeup everywhere in my suitcase or in my travel bag because I don't clean my makeup brushes as often as I should. So this right here is key because it keeps them all concealed, so you're not going to mess anything up in your bag, but you're also not going to mess up your makeup brushes. I'm obsessed with these. I didn't even have to try these because I have some and I love them. Just touching some of them, they're so soft. You can tell that they don't shed. I've pulled all on these brushes and nothing has come out. This is hands down my most favorite thing, and this set was $75. So you pay $49.99 for the box. You get a $75 item in the box. I'm not even going to talk about any other thing, but you already made your money in just the one item. You get what I'm saying? Next up was another makeup item. I have always wanted one of these, but I was just like, is it really worth the money? I'll just keep getting the Real Technique sponges because they're cheaper, but I really did want a beauty blender because everybody was talking about how wonderful they were, but they're $20. Guess what comes in everybody's box this fall? A beauty blender. When I opened the box and seen this in there, I squealed a little bit, being perfectly honest, because it's a $20 beauty blender. I've always wanted a beauty blender. I have not got to use this yet, but let's be serious, it's a beauty blender. What's not to like about the beauty blender? I can automatically feel a difference in the texture of this sponge compared to the Real Techniques without even wetting it. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. $20, beauty blender. It just speaks for itself, guys. What else is there for me to say? Another item that I thought was super nice are these Bluetooth headphones. They're white and like a pinkish rose gold color. They are originally $40. So you'll either get the black pair or this white pair, and y'all, they're wireless earbuds. I love the fact that these are the ones that just hang around your neck. You can just stick them in your ears. I'm not a huge fan of the earplugs that go inside my ears because sometimes they tend to hurt, but I love having a pair just in case I need them. Sometimes I don't want to wear the big bulky headphones that I have and I want to wear these. These are really nice. They're by Cobra. So not only are they aesthetically pleasing, but they're super functional, and they're $40. Even if you don't want these for yourself, maybe you already have a pair. Maybe you have some really expensive pair that you wear all the time. These would make an exceptional Christmas gift or a really good stocking stuffer. So, I mean, why not? Also in every box this season, you're going to get a Luna Rika? I don't know. Luna Rika bar. And this one is in the salted caramel nut flavor. I have not tried this yet. These kind of bars, I never really know how to take them, but these are gluten-free and non-GMO. It says you can keep a bar in your purse to enjoy wherever you go. So let's try this together. We're actually going to get to see a real true first impression of something because we're about to do this. Oh snap. Is this got peanut butter? It does say nuts. I can eat this. This almost reminds me of some candy bar or something that I've had. It has 8 grams of fat. Where are the carbs at? 22 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, and 3 grams of protein. So it's not like something that's like a protein bar or something like that, but this is really good. It's cashew butter filled with fruit and nut bar. I can eat this whole thing and be totally happy with it. I guess that will be better than eating an actual like candy bar. I can eat that. I'm shocked. I really thought I was gonna spit that out. This is something that I was really excited to see in here. This comes in all the boxes, and it is a Simply Whimsical tea towel. You get 2 towels for $14.99 regularly, and I love these kind of towels. I put these in our kitchen. I like hanging them on the little towel bar there at my stove, so when I'm doing things I need to wipe my hands off, these would be really good. And I love the fact that they're super simple. They're just like a white and gray pattern. It's not like herringbone or chevron. I don't really know what it is. It will go in a lot of different kitchen styles if you want to put in your kitchen. These feel really nice quality. I really love getting all like the different skincare and body care stuff because I love having like me time, pampering time. So this is when I get to utilize all of this fun stuff that I normally would not buy for myself because I'm super cheap. I normally wouldn't splurge and buy myself these things, so that's why I really love these boxes. This is a cream cleanser from Grown Alchemist, olive leaf and plant-to-go extract. This was originally $49. It says to gently massage onto your skin and rinse off with warm water. This nourishing formula features olive leaf and plant-to-go extract to cleanse and condition your skin, leaving it naturally radiant. So I'm very excited to use this. I'm super big on skincare, so I'm very excited to use this. This was something else that caught my eye. I have never tried anything by Glam Glow, once again, because it's expensive and I would not normally purchase it for myself. These are 2 bubble sheet deep cleansing masks from Glam Glow, and I am super excited about it because I've never tried anything Glam Glow, but everybody, I've not heard anybody say really anything negative about it. I don't know if I've heard anything about these things in particular, but this is a 2-pack. It's originally 18 bucks for this. It says place the mask onto damp skin and leave on for approximately 3 minutes. Once removed, massage the remaining bubbles and rinse. This right here is bomb. It smells amazing. It's just real good. Like, I don't even know. I don't really know how to explain it better. But other than, it is the bomb. This is a shower gel by Skin & Co. Roma. Blue and Capri is the name, I guess, of the actual scent. This is the Italian collection, limited edition, with notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. You can also use this to make like a bubble bath. So on my pamper night, I'm going to fill this up in the tub. Oh, you know how some seasonal scents are a little too seasonally, like you don't want to wear it. It's something that maybe you would prefer to eat or a candle to light. You wouldn't necessarily want to wash with it. Sometimes I feel like those scents are a little too extra, but this one, I feel like it's just enough. It's got that really nice, clean smell that I love in soap. Who doesn't want to smell clean? That's defeating the purpose if you don't want to smell clean. But it has those very light fall notes in it that gives you that vibe of like wilderness, fall vibe without being too much and overboard. And I just, y'all, I'm excited. I'm so excited about this stuff. I'm more excited about using this in like bubble bath form rather than shower gel. But it just smells so good and just clean and invigorating. Like this is really good. I feel like this might even like sort of help you wake up. So maybe try that in the morning if you got this. Just like try that in the morning. Maybe it'll help you wake up even more so. This next item is a lipstick duo. The Metallist Liquid Foil Lipstick Duo. Innovative dual-ended lip kit. Featuring a rich metallic matte shade and a matching glitter gloss for a buildable, bold lip look. I already have a little bit of lipstick on that I've kind of sort of like licked off over the day. But we're gonna try this and see what it looks like. So this is in the color Peony. So like it says, one side is the metallic matte. We're just gonna use the front facing camera. Whoa. Oh, snap. That feels really good. And it kind of looks like a penny. The color's penny, but it actually looks like a penny. But not like a super coppery penny, more of like a pinky penny. What do y'all think? I think it looks good on the camera. This is giving me straight up 90s vibes. I am a 90s baby, so I have not worn a metallic lip. I couldn't even tell you when. And then last but not least is this Alfred teapot. I am going to be giving this away on this video. I think this little tea kettle is freaking adorable, but I honestly will most likely never use it. So if you want to win this teapot, it was originally $26. It's just adorable. I mean, it's got flowers on it, which I really, really love. And I almost considered like putting this out as decor. We're trying to just minimize all of the extra stuff that we have. So I thought that I would send this over to a really good home. So if you want this teapot, make sure to leave this emoji down below in the comments. A week from this video going live, I will announce the winner on here. So if you want this very, very cute little teapot, make sure to leave that emoji down below so that I know that you want to be entered into the little giveaway. Y'all, this is really, if I was a tea drinker, I would definitely keep it. I just think it's just so like aesthetically pleasing for like Instagram pictures. But I know that I won't use it, and I don't want to keep it from somebody that will use it. Y'all, that was it for the fall FabFitFun unboxing. Comment down below with your favorite item from this season's box. I definitely think that my favorite item has to be the brush set. So I'm interested in seeing what you guys think. So leave those comments down below as well. Don't forget to use the link in my description box to get your hands on the fall box. Make sure to use my code if you're a first-time user. I can't wait to see next season's box. I'm so excited just thinking about it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. And I hope you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, y'all. Bye.